Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of planning and expectations. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as anticipate, anticipate, an, t, s, pate, anticipate. While American accent, we may pronounce it as anticipate, anticipate, in, t, s, pate, anticipate. It refers to the act of expecting or predicting something that will happen in the future and preparing for it in advance. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about anticipate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.